Appeals court denies Trump administration request to block SNAP funding order during government shutdown. A federal appeals court on Friday denied a Trump administration request to temporarily block a lower court ruling requiring the government to fully fund the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, program amid the government shutdown. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the First Circuit ruling comes as the U.S. Department of Agriculture on Friday said it is working to comply with a judge's order to fully fund the program for November. On Thursday, U.S. District Judge Jack McConnell rejected the administration's effort to only partially fund the benefits program for some 42 million low-income Americans for November as the shutdown drags on, giving the government 24 hours to comply. People have gone without for too long, McConnell said in court. After the appeals court ruling, the Trump administration filed an emergency appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court, hoping it will step in by 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time Friday evening. Given the imminent irreparable harms posed by these orders, which require the government to transfer an estimated $4 billion by tonight, the Solicitor General respectfully requests an immediate administrative stay of the orders pending the resolution of this application by no later than 9:30 p.m. this evening, an administration spokesperson told Fox News. In a letter sent to all regional directors of the SNAP program on Friday, Patrick Penn, Deputy Undersecretary for USDA's Food, Nutrition, and Consumer Services, said, FNS is working towards implementing November 2025 full benefit issuances in compliance with the November 6, 2025, order from the District Court of Rhode Island. He added, later today, FNS will complete the processes necessary to make funds available to support your subsequent transmittal of full issuance files to your EBT processor. Penn said the department would keep regional directors as up-to-date as possible on any future developments and appreciate your continued partnership to serve program beneficiaries across the country. State agencies with questions should contact their FNS regional office representative. He scolded the Trump administration for failing to comply with the order he issued last week, which required the U.S. Department of Agriculture to fund the SNAP benefits programs before its funds were slated to lapse on November 1st. Marking the first time in the program's 60-year history that its payments were halted. The judge also said Trump officials failed to address a known funding distribution problem that could cause SNAP payments to be delayed for weeks or months in some states. He ordered the USDA to tap other contingency funds as needed. It's likely that SNAP recipients are hungry as we sit here, McConnell said Thursday. Trump administration officials said in a court filing earlier this week that they would pay just 65% of the roughly $9 billion owed to fund the SNAP program for November, prompting the judge to update his order and give the administration just 24 hours to comply. The evidence shows that people will go hungry, food pantries will be overburdened, and needless suffering will occur, McConnell said. That's what irreparable harm here means.